In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run mini-extensions automations from within Airtable. This can be useful in a variety of cases where maybe you want to just trigger an automation from inside Airtable without having to first navigate to mini-extensions, or maybe you want to run an automation automatically whenever there's a new record, for example. So I'm going to show you how you can set this up. For this example, I have this ChatGPT automation here, which just takes an English text and translates it to Spanish. And this is set up to skip any existing data in the output field, so we don't process the same record over and over again. All right, and the way you can do this, this works with any automation that processes records in bulk. You just go to the Run tab, and then we have this advanced menu here, and it says Run inside Airtable. And if you click on that, you can copy the script. So that just copies the script to your clipboard. And then if you go to Airtable, now you have two different ways of doing this. The first way is kind of like a manual trigger. So that works with a scripting automation and scripting extension in Airtable. So you just add that in, and it's official from Airtable. And then you just get rid of what's already in here. That's just an example script, and then you paste in what you copied from mini-extensions, and then you just click on Finish Editing, and that's that. You can give it a name if you like. Maybe like, let's just call this Translate to Spanish. And now if I hit Run, this is going to trigger the automation on mini-extensions. And this can sometimes take a while. So you have to be a little bit patient with this. It can take up to a few minutes. You saw this time it was basically immediate. But yeah, this can sometimes take a little longer. So there might be some patience involved with this. Okay, so this is the first way, but obviously this would only run whenever you hit the run button, which can be useful, but you probably want something that's automatic. So let's create an automation instead. So for example, we can add a trigger, say when a record enters a view, for example. Okay, I'm just selecting my table, and I have this translation view here. That basically just shows all the records that are that have an English text that's not empty, and they have a Spanish text that is empty. So basically, this view will only contain records that require translation, basically. Okay, so we'll just do that, and then for the action, we add the run script action, and this looks almost the same as what we just saw before. So again, get rid of what's in there already and paste in the script from mini-extensions, and you just click on Finish Editing here, and then just turn this on. So as soon as I create a new record, this is going to trigger the this automation. So if I go back to data, so let's say this is a test. So this is going to end up in this translation view now, and it's going to trigger the automation. And again, this might take a while. Airtable automations aren't necessarily super quick all the time. And then with the processing involved, it can take a little while, but you saw this is already done. Okay, so these are two ways which you can automatically run any mini-extensions automation inside Airtable, either manually or automatically. And if you have any questions about this or need any help setting this up, feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to help.